Hi there, this is garyryanblair, and today I want to talk to you about how do you become legendary. We'll start by sharing a story. See, on May 6, 1954, the experts, they were proven wrong. Conventional wisdom was overruled and the impossible was made possible. This was the day that Roger Bannister enforced his will over a massive psychological barrier and became legendary as a result. And with a time of 3 minutes and 59 seconds, he became the first person to rub a sub 4-minute mile. His victory changed the running game forever, and it sent a powerful message to those who indulge in limiting beliefs. See, doctors and scientists said that breaking the 4-minute mile was absolutely impossible. They believed that runners attempting to do so would die in the attempt. But Bannister, he was not buying what the experts were selling, and he proved them all wrong. The truth is, nothing succeeds like success. And here's where things really get interesting. Until Bannister's record-setting and paradigm-busting performance, no one broke the record because they told themselves that it was impossible. Then, just 46 days after Bannister's race, Australian John Landy, he beat his time. And over the next 2 years, 37 other runners ran a mile in under 4 minutes. And since then, more than 1,500 runners have conquered a barrier that had once been considered hopelessly out of reach. Did the human race suddenly evolve quicker into better, faster runners? Of course not. Their physical attributes didn't change, but their mindset did. It was always a psychological barrier, it was not a physical one. As once they believed that they could, they did. And in my opinion, Bannister's true legacy is one of mind over matter. He refused to accept the limitations that defined conventional wisdom of his time. It wasn't just about competing against and outperforming his rivals. It became about transforming what we believe is possible. You see, for most of my adult life, I pursued what I considered to be the organizing principles of lasting change. And long ago, I came to the understanding that there was a pivotal moment in all of our lives, maybe even a few moments, that we must experience before we wake up, we turn pro, grow a pair, and take our destiny into our two very capable hands. See, I believe that Bannister's story is also your story. And what you do after listening to this should inspire you to take action, to face your fears, and to prove to yourself that you're capable of so much more. So what self-limiting beliefs do you need to bust through in order to create a breakthrough? What belief, when overcome, will lead you to a life-altering transformation? Roger Bannister used the power of his will to do what others determined to be impossible, and he became legendary as a result. And you, my friend, must do the same. And that is precisely why I want you to check out the 100-Day Challenge at 100daychallenge.com, because it is all about mind over matter. And you'll be amazed as to how much progress you can make. And I'm talking about how to 10x in less than 100 days. So check it out at 100daychallenge.com and make it the very next thing you do.